Okay, so I know this is not the most flattering outfit I've ever shown you on my YouTube channel, but I teach middle school and we are a feeder school for the local high school, and these are the high school colors. I bought this to wear for homecoming, and I'm just now getting around to showing you the video. These are comfortable to wear when I'm working around the house and need to hold a lot of things, so let's just go with that theory. Overalls must be in. This is in my Free People catalog. And these cost 198 bucks. Mine didn't. Does this package look like it contains a pair of overalls too? Let's find out. Pretty small, isn't it? Man, I've had a bad afternoon, so this feels good. Well, I guess it does. This is the cute little outfit, or part of the cute little outfit that I bought to wear to school last week, and it just now arrived. Overalls. I'll try them on this weekend and see if they fit. Yes, I'm in my kitchen. It's been a long time since I've been in my kitchen. I bought a flannel shirt and then 2 undershirts to wear underneath this. The flannel shirt is by Guani. Made in China. I got a small. So, button check. Buttonholes seem to be made well. Wow, look at that. Nobody cuts off excess strings anymore. So probably they didn't match the plaids up on the side, because that's a sign of a quality made plaid shirt, but hey, they didn't. See, that big white stripe didn't match up. Has button sleeves. Just a regular fast surged seams on the inside. That's not really helpful. 85% cotton, 15% polyester. Feels good. It's not a true flannel shirt. It just kind of looks like a flannel shirt. These were really soft. I saw that this was a little bit more burgundy than red or maroon, so that's really not going to go with that at all. Not to worry. I think this is, yeah, these are Amazon Essentials. I have a yellow and a white one like this. They're quite comfortable. Easy to launder. I like the way that they're made. Very soft. Sewing's a little bit better. The serge is a little bit better on that. Made in Madagascar. I don't know how to say that. I don't know how to say anything. I purchased a small, 30% cotton, 3% modal. That doesn't even add up, whatever that is. This is a gray one like that, and it's probably going to go much better with that. Yep. The gray will be the one I wear underneath that. Here's better information on the care label. No bleached, low iron, hang dry. These are, I've already tried these on actually, and I like the way that they fit. I had to pull this up a lot, so I'm almost out of room because I'm a very short person. Here's the inside of the seams. It has 3 metal buttons on the side. Has deep pockets on either side. Has a fake front zipper, so it's definitely made for girls. Has flat filled seams throughout there. and actual pocket on the front. Flat fell seams on the exterior and normal seam on the inside of the leg. That's the hem. Just a serged interior. The back comes up like this with a little split design on the yoke. 2 functional pockets on the back. So here's the outfit all put together. I've been wearing it all day long. It's super comfortable. I am longer from here down and shorter from here up than people are supposed to be. So the legs feel like they're a little short. And like I said, I had to pull these up really, really high, but it's very comfortable. On the shirt, it feels like these are sticking out a little bit, but I have pretty broad shoulders for a small female, so I'm not unhappy about the extra width on the shirt part, but very comfortable. They're very roomy in the abdomen area. You can see you could probably wear these while you're pregnant. Very roomy in the rear if you've got a bigger than me. Check in the text below, and also in the comments I'll provide a link on how you can purchase this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link. Thanks a bunch.